Collision Mitigation System, Detection Scenarios Two-Wheeler. For the two-wheeler detection, the vehicle driving speed must be at least 10 km per hour, and the rider's height with vehicle should be greater than 3 feet. Notice: Level 1 warning. The driver is alerted to the risk of an imminent collision by first level of visual and audible warning. Level 2 warning. If the driver does not take action, or the driver braking force is not enough to mitigate collision, system issues the second level of visual and audible warning and applies partial braking. Level 3 warning. After second level warning, if the driver does not take action, or driver braking force is not enough, and risk of a collision is imminent, the system applies harder braking, along with third level of visual and audible warning. Warning.